Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices dipped more than 2% to finish last week as the dollar gained and profit-taking kicked in following bullion's all-time peak hit earlier, which was fueled by rising expectations of US interest rate cuts in September. China's total fuel imports slipped 11% in the first half of 2024 amid a backdrop of weak refining margins and poor fuel demand. The imports totaled 11.95 million metric tons, or about 75.88 million barrels, data from the General Administration of Customs showed. The dollar climbed and was set to snap a 2-week streak of declines as a worldwide cyber outage that affected banks, airlines and broadcasters unnerved investors, although volatility in the currency markets was largely contained.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 6 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Germany's German Buber monthly report at 10 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.